Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to use a navigation controller to navigate between view controllers. In the previous video we learned how to navigate between view controllers and pass data around. If you not have seen that video and want to see it, I'm going to leave the link in the description. So to implement our UI navigation controller, first you have to come to your main view controller. And the main view controller is always represented by this storyboard entry point. So you know this is the main one. If you want another view controller to be the main view controller, you just have to drag this to the other view controller, and then this would become the main view controller. But we want this one to be the view controller, and all you have to do to add an UI navigation controller is select the view controller and go to editor and select embed in and select navigation controller. So now you have a navigation controller embedded in your view controller. And from here we can now either use segviews or continue presenting the view controllers the way we were manually. But instead of using present now, we actually have to use the navigation. So all the view controllers already have a nullable reference of the navigation controller. So if you go here and type navigation controller, it's not going to be null now because we actually embedded inside of a navigation controller. So we can just use it, push view controller, and pass that view controller that we are using around, and sure, animated. And if you run this app now, it would work the same way if we were just using segue instead of creating the code manually. So if I pass the text here, text from first BC, it should be the same functionality. But you can notice now that now we have this top bar and we have like back buttons that set up, they are set automatically for us. So that's a great advantage, and most of the apps are going to use UI navigation bar, because you can also set titles now. If you set a title, for example, first BC, and run the app. So they create this whole top bar for us. And there are many other functionalities that we're gonna learn in the future, putting item buttons here on the top right, top left, and it's very useful. Test. As you see, we have all this navigation ready for us now. So this is another way of navigating and passing data around. Thank you so much.